right, everyone get a little bit of Beverly. We're about to go in a club pool and test out the Coca-Cola flavors. Let's check it out. All right, save that one on the left for last. Yeah. We got the Viva.
Fill it up all the way. You know you like it.
How is it?
I didn't think I liked it, but I like it better after.
What do you think? It's good? Let's try the Russia Cucumber Sprite.
I don't know how to.
You want a new cup every time?
That's wasted. Cucumber Sprite.
Apparently Jackson's gonna drink a lot of pop.
Oh, it's good.
It didn't bother me.
Okay, this one's from China. What is it?
It's like Coke.
Oh, it tastes weird.
You want to try it? Oh, not a fan.
So, no on the sour plum.
No on the sour.
This is going to be the best one, though.
Alright, watermelon royal.
I think it's actually, what is it called? It's called Fanta. It's
What do you
Fanta.
think, Wyatt? It's a good one? Minute Maid apple lychee.
Enjoy apple lychee.
Just do one click, Jack. No on Wyatt.
No on Mom, too.
Yes on Jack.
Country Club.
You can do 2 clicks.
If you like it, you can do another clip.
Yeah. Oh, I like that one. You like that one, Wyatt?
Yeah.
That's very refreshing.
You only say 2 clicks.
So it sounds like Country Club is the winner so far. And watermelon is the second runner-up. Now all 3 of you got to do Beverly at the same time. So wait for Wyatt.
Okay, I'm gonna follow.
How's Madagascar?
It tastes like banana.
All right, everyone get a little bit of Beverly.
Ready? Cheers. 3, 2, 1.
Come on, get some Country Club. Get some Country Club.
Here, get the Country Club. Oh my God, we messed up with the Beverly. Okay.
Oh my God.
Are we better?
Why is the last the worst? It's always last the best. It's always last the best.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description, either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.